Hi everybody. I just wanted to make a video to try to help anybody who wants to go online and do a little bit more with video. When I was teaching online for the past couple of years, I quickly realized that typing out things to students where you want to try to explain answers or explain assignments, it can be really challenging to try to get it all in text. And sometimes just talking is a lot better and easier for both parties. So I wanted to show you a couple tools that I use on a regular basis to do that. Number one is the Screencast-O-Matic. Now there are lots of different tools you can use to capture screen. This is just one that I really like. I find it really easy and it's free to a point. If you get the free version, I think you can record up to 15 minutes and your video will have a little watermark. If you upgrade and go to the professional type version, it's not expensive. It's like something like $3 a month or something like that. I guess we can go to pricing and find out. Yeah, there you go, $1.65 a month. And so this one allows you to record video as long as you want, no watermark and all that kind of stuff. So for me, it's worth it. There's another one called OBS Studio, which I've heard about. I haven't used it, but I know it's really popular for recording your screen. And this one's free, but I can't speak a whole lot to it. But if you're interested, you can go and take a look at that one as well. So the way Screencast-O-Matic works in pretty much any software that you are going to use is you click on it, it goes 3, 2, 1, and then you start recording. So I'm recording my screen right now. I have the option of recording my screen or myself if I want using my webcam. I sometimes do that if I'm just explaining an assignment, but usually I'm just recording my screen. So anything I bring up on my screen, if I'm teaching coding, I can do my coding in here and explain what's going on. So I can bring up a Word document, anything you can put on your screen, and you can use your mouth to say, okay, this line does this line does this, blah, blah, blah. And you make a little video, and then when you're done, you stop the video. And then when you are done the video, at least with Screencast-O-Matic, you have the option to save it onto your hard drive, or you can upload it to YouTube. And I just wanted to show everybody how easy it is to do that. And you can use your YouTube account. So if I type youtube.com, I'm already logged in with my Limestone account. So it comes up with my Limestone credentials here. And if I go to this button right here, upload video. All I do is I upload any video that I've created. So when I'm done my video, I drag it here and I drop it. So I have all these dance videos that people have been giving me. So I'll show you what I mean by, actually we'll use this one. This is a video of my daughter pitching. So I literally take the video that I made, I drag it here, and you can see that's all I have to do. When I'm done, it says, what do you want to title the video? Do you want to add it to a playlist? So I have a playlist for programming, or you can have a playlist for each one of your classes, and students in your class can subscribe to that playlist. You can do a bunch of different things. So I usually don't do a lot here. I can describe it if I want to. Go next, and then it's somewhere, here we go. Okay, is it made for kids or not made for kids? So I'll say yes, it's made for kids. And video elements, you can add end screen and cards. I don't typically do that. But here you choose to make it public, unlisted, or private. If you make it public, that means anybody can see it and anybody can search for it. If you make it unlisted, that means that only people with the link can see it. So usually I'll make them unlisted, so only my students have the link. And I can make it private, but if I make it private, then I have to invite specific people to watch the video. So usually I go with unlisted. So I save, and then that's it. It's published, and then here's the link. So I can then copy. I just hit that to copy, and then I go to whatever I'm using, in my case my D2L, and then I could create a post, and I could say, okay, I'm going to add a, oh, I hit the wrong button, sorry. I'm going to add a link to this somewhere in here. File upload link. There we go, attach a web link. Paste and give it a title, Addy pitching. I'm obviously not going to really post this. Insert, and then you can see that it is going to go here to a link, and I post, put a message in there, and I'd be done. So this YouTube video wouldn't be of my daughter pitching, it would be of you explaining a concept or whatever it may be. And like I said, making a video sounds like a lot, but usually I find it's less work than trying to explain it to students through text or whatever it is you're trying to do. So I hope that you found that useful. If you have any questions, well, please don't hesitate to email me anytime, and I'll see what I can do to help. Take care.